Okay, so I delete everything. I start over again. Okay, so normally we need to organize our file. We can put it in our prefab there, and item here. We drag and drop our chest animation. Okay, so just drag and drop to here. Okay, then drag to your scene. Make sure that you open your scene here, and you drag and drop your chest over here. Okay, so now your chest is here. You can adjust your scalings. Okay, to make it look happy lah. Okay, you satisfied with the size. Now I think the size is okay lah. You can uncheck this one to adjust the size of your chest. Okay, I think 100 will be good. Okay, so to make the first animation, to check the animation, you can click this one. Okay, you play your animations. Suppose it can be opening. Okay, so they have an animation that is opening. Okay, so now we make it. Our animation now is not working. Okay, without the animators, you see our chest is not directly animated. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to add this one, the add component animator. Okay, to open the animator. Okay, now we don't have the controller, so we need to right click, create. Okay, create the animation animator controller. We call it as a chest open animator lah, for example. Okay, double click it to open. So now you open a triangles here, you will see these triangles is your animation. So just drag and drop here. Okay, now your animation is still not working. You need to select your chest and make your controllers as chest open animation. So try it out. So now you will have your animations opening already. But we want our player go near to it to open. Okay, so for our animator here, we need to make it a statics first. So you can say this one is either do nothing. So for our entry, we connect to this one. We deselect, delete this. Okay, drag to behind. After the either, we make the transition to our cover here. Okay, and then we exit. Okay, so we want to have a control here. Okay, parameter to control. If our player goes enter that area, the chest will be open. So we need to have a parameter. We select this parameter here. We have an add button here. We select this add button and click trigger. Say open. Okay. Depends on your coding class. If you're coding, okay, these parameters should be same with your code. Okay, your code here, your coding here. Okay, your coding here is using chest open. So you copy this chest open, must be exactly the same. Okay, so you rename it, paste this one, chest open. So this transition from idols to this cover, we need to add the condition and chest open condition. So later we'll call this chest open, and then the chest only will open. Okay, so for this part done already, we goes to our chest. Okay, now we need to add the collider to our chest. Okay, so means that we goes near to that chest and then the chest call the animation out. So now we need to add the collider. Okay, collider we 3D, so we using the box collider here. Okay, and then we check. See the collider is a wrong position. Oh my god. So we make it smaller a bit. Okay, 0.01. Okay, 0.01. Okay, so now we need to place the trigger. You can make it bigger size a bit now. Means that you enter that area, the chest will automatically open. So you can make it bigger size a bit. So just enter this area, it will be open the chest. Okay, so now we using trigger, so this one we need to check it. We check the trigger. Okay, then we need to put the script. We need to have a script. So you go to the script here. Okay, right click, create a script. We call it as a chest. So paste the code here. Okay, so the code means that this one is a declaration. You are using the animator, and then you get components for your animator. This one is the declaration. Okay, and then this one on trigger enter. If the players enter the area, okay, the collider, so the animator set trigger will call this parameter. So means that your chest will be open. Okay, so now drag this script, okay, chest script to this. Okay, to write the script is right click, create, okay, scripting, mono behavior script. So and then you double click, make sure this one, the name of the script should be same with the class of the script. So now we try to open the chest. Okay, so when we enter the area, the chest will open. So it's simple like that.